How to manage sounds settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage sound settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down again. Here you will find the media, click on it and go down until you find the sounds. Here you can, if you want to turn it off, just click on it, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.